They say Trendyol is becoming the new Shein in 2026 cheaper clothes. Better quality, faster shipping, and a catalog that updates so quickly it feels impossible to keep up. It sounds like the perfect fashion alternative, right? But is Trendyol really that good, or is it just another platform going viral on TikTok because everyone is hyping it up? Trendyol has been everywhere lately. Influencers posting hauls, people comparing it to Zara, and others saying it completely replaced Shein for them. Some swear the quality is better, others say the opposite. So we decided to take a closer look at what Trendyol actually offers, what's behind all the hype, and whether it deserves the Shein 2.0 title people keep giving it. According to its platform, Trendyol works like a massive online marketplace with thousands of sellers, mostly from Turkey. And Turkey is known for having surprisingly good textile quality, especially in jeans, cotton basics, and knitwear. Trendyol promises affordable prices, modern styles, and faster delivery than most fast fashion stores. Basically, it claims to give you European-style clothing without the European price tag. Sounds amazing. Maybe too amazing. Because finding a store that offers low prices, good materials, and fast shipping all at once almost feels unreal in 2026. Let's start with what we found. Trendyol does have better consistency and quality than Shein in many categories. The fabrics feel less synthetic, the stitching is slightly cleaner, and the clothes don't feel like they'll fall apart after 2 washes. But it's not luxury, it's still fast fashion. The catch is that the quality depends a lot on the seller. Some brands inside Trendyol are great, others are hit or miss. Just like any large marketplace. Then there's the shopping experience. The app and website look modern. The catalog updates nonstop. And the variety is huge: streetwear, basics, elegant dresses, sportswear, accessories, beauty products, even home items. It does feel more grown-up than Shein. But there's a problem. Not everything ships internationally. Many items are restricted to certain countries, which frustrates a lot of users who find something they love, only to get the "not available for your region" message. And when it comes to shipping, Trendyol is faster than expected. Many users receive packages within 1 to 2 weeks, which is way quicker than the typical 3 to 5 week wait from Chinese fast fashion sites. The packaging is basic, nothing fancy, but the speed definitely helps. But here's where things get messy. Returns. While Shein has one of the easiest return systems in the world, Trendyol doesn't. Depending on your country, you may have to pay for return shipping, deal with long processing times, or in some cases, you simply can't return the item at all. For a platform trying to be the next Shein, that's a big downside. Another thing we noticed is the reviews. Some products have tons of photos and honest opinions, but others have almost none. That makes it harder to trust what you're buying. And since Trendyol hosts thousands of sellers, the consistency isn't guaranteed. Privacy and safety aren't really an issue here, unlike sketchy apps, but transparency about sellers and quality control could definitely improve. Still, nothing indicates that Trendyol is unsafe. It's just a massive marketplace with varying standards. So, is Trendyol really the new Shein? Sort of. It offers better quality in many cases, faster shipping, and more stylish European-inspired designs. But it doesn't beat Shein in returns, ultra-low prices, or the massive volume of customer reviews. Trendyol feels like Shein's slightly more mature sibling, still affordable, still trendy, but with a bit more quality and a bit less chaos. If you're thinking about buying, Trendyol is absolutely worth trying in 2026. Just make sure to check seller ratings, measurements, and customer photos whenever possible. And remember, even the prettiest item can disappoint if the sizing is off. If this review helped you avoid a bad purchase or made your decision easier, feel free to like or share. It helps others stay informed and avoid shopping blindly online. Stay smart, stay selective, and always double check before you add to cart.